If your Garmin watch week starts from Sunday and it's messing with your schedule, here's how to fix it in seconds. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change week start day on your Garmin watch. There are two ways to do it, from the Garmin Connect app and from the watch itself. First, let's see how to change the first day of the week on Garmin using the Garmin Connect app. Grab your connected smartphone and launch the Connect app. Go to the More section and select Settings. Tap on User Settings, First day of the week and select your preferred day. That's it. Now the week on your Garmin will start from whichever day you choose. Now let me show you how to do it from the watch itself. I'll be using my Garmin Forerunner 265 for the demo, but the steps are more or less the same for all Garmin watches. Simply, long press the up button to launch the menu and go all the way down to System. Open it, scroll down and tap on Format. Here you'll see Start of Week. Just tap on it and select your preferred day to start the week. Press the Start Stop button to confirm the selection, and now the week will start from the day of your choice. That's it. Now you know how to change week start day on your Garmin. Your Garmin smartwatch will now follow your preferred week start. If this tutorial helped you, drop a like and subscribe to Wearholic for more smartwatch content. Thanks for watching.